How many times have you asked yourself, man, what really matters to me now at this point in my life? When you start to approach 30, a lot of things change. Things you once cared about, you no longer care about. And things you once didn't care about now mean the world to you. But there's one common thing that means everything, or should mean everything, to all men. If you're new to the channel, my name is James Strong. I make videos about trading the futures market as well as investing in the stock market. We trade to invest, we invest to build wealth, and none of that's possible without personal finances. When it comes to a financial goal for men, right? Every man should have this one goal. We're gonna get into it, but I want to really break this down, right? The thing is, this is about building a legacy. Everything we do as men, especially at this point in our lives, is about building a legacy. The action, and let me make sure I iterate this clearly. So if you distracted, turn the video up, go into a room, because this is not a normal video. This is not something that you can click on. You think, he gonna say some general information. Nah, I need you to be by yourself. But this is a real conversation from one man to another. It's time for us to get right. It's time for us to change our lives, man. We build a legacy here for our family. The action that you do or do not, let me rephrase that. The action, because it's all action, that you do now either creates generational wealth or generational struggle. You're going to act either way. You're either going to act for the things that help you get where you want to get to, or the things that are going to hurt you and get you more of what you don't. But both of them are all choices. They're all choices, and it's all action. Without the right action, dude, you are setting your family up for struggling for a lifetime. And I know you want to be the change, the person who breaks that cycle to change everything forever. So remember that. Which one are you going to choose? Because it's kind of like the Wizard of Oz. You got past, man. Which road you going to take? Financial freedom is our goal. We cannot rely on one source of income. There is nothing wrong with having a job. A job is a part of the journey. A job is the process. And everybody, truthfully, is not meant to be an entrepreneur. And that's coming from somebody who has done, does all that both, right? I went to college. I have degrees. I've been in finance. I've started several businesses, all in my 20s. I'm still in my late 20s, 28, right? But as I'm approaching 30, it's a lot different. You can't have one source of income. I literally, it's not the same, bro. Like, I have a wife. I have a child on the way, right? A daughter at that. And that means a lot to a father. I know you have responsibilities. Whether you do or do not have a wife, I'm sure you have a significant other, or I'm sure you have children. These are people who are depending on you. If you allow somebody to feed you, you allow them to starve you. And if you allow them to feed and starve you, they can feed and starve the people you love. So we cannot rely on one source of income. This is literally why I teach people how to trade the futures market. Even when, like I said, even when we're investing in the market, just knowing how to trade, knowing technical analysis, knowing market structure, knowing these things helps not only your short-term trading to grow capital and build income, which is another source of income, it also helps you with your long-term investments. I can look at certain stocks and see what Amazon, all these things are doing, and I could basically look and see where's a good discount to buy into it and hold my long-term shares as well. It's multifaceted. So if you're interested in learning more about that, make sure you always go to my description or my website, which is on the screen, to get more information about that. I'm always here. That's what I do, and that's my bread and butter, man. You know, we trade to grow our capital, and we invest our capital to build long-term wealth. But we make sure we got to have our finances in order as well. None of that means nothing, man. Literally. So remember too, man, this age, dude, you are in the prime earning years. Like, this is the time where you have, even though it's a lot now, you know, we have a lot more responsibilities coming out of college, or a young man with really little responsibilities. Now you have a wife, you have children, you have all these things, right? You're expected to perform. But the thing is, you're not 70, you're in your 30s. You know what I'm saying? Either approaching 30s or you still in your late 30s. You're 30 something years old, man. You're not going to have 30-year-old energy no more. You're not going to have 30-year-old time no more. Even if you have children, I'm sure your children are younger. You know what I'm saying? Like, a 5-year-old doesn't need the same maintenance as a 15-year-old, and vice versa. You know, it's a different type of investment that we have to commit, and it only gets harder. It only gets more challenging. You know, I'm sure you can imagine remember being 18, thinking like, man, you know, life is just crazy, or 16, 17, so you're thinking, man, like, you got a lot of responsibilities. You look back now, you laugh. It's gonna be the same way. You're 30 years old, man. You don't want to look back, be 40, and then 50 and be like, dang, you wish you woulda, coulda, shoulda, woulda. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna get us results. We need to tap in right now. And we need to realize that waiting means you're just playing catch up. Like, we want to be coasting into this financial freedom and financial independence. Like, we don't want to play catch up trying to make up ground because of things that we did not do. Like I said at the very beginning, the action that you take is going to determine generational wealth or generational struggle. No matter what, you get to pick. Like, that's it. It's as simple as that, man. All our responsibilities are going to grow. I don't know anybody who was like, man, you know what's crazy? The older I got, my bills done got cheaper. I ain't heard nobody ever in the history of Aberdeen say that. Bills only get higher, man. Things cost more. There's inflation. And so we want to make sure we're playing financial offense and not stuck on defense trying to guard the ball the whole time. Like, that's just not going to work. You know what I'm saying? Like, literally, go play basketball and let me know how it is if you only on defense the whole time. I'll wait. Trust me. It won't work. Also, man, the freedom from stress is one of the biggest things that comes from just getting on offense, because a lot of men, you know, we have to do what we have to do for our families. And we go to work, a lot of times the jobs we don't like, hating it every day, trading our mental peace for a paycheck. And I'm not saying you don't got to do what you got to do. A man's the hardest job in the world there is, man. We got to take care of our loved ones. We got to be tough, but we still human. You know what I'm saying? As strong as I am, mentally, physically, everything, spiritually, I still feel pain. You know what I'm saying? And so you got to know when to make stuff a season only and not for life. You want to make sure you're working and setting stuff up. Again, getting that extra income stream, you know, building these skills up on the side, like investing in yourself. So you know that, hey, man, this part of my journey is temporary. Trust me, I've done a lot of stuff I hate. Now, I've started several business endeavors and I've made more money in every business. But you got to think, even right now in my life, I am at one of the most current to date. I am at the current, obviously, I'm going to keep going. I'm at the current highest financial point I've ever been in my life. But I'm also at one of the toughest times I've ever been in my life. Now, I'm going to say that down because I know I said a little fast, so I don't want to lose some of y'all. I'm at the highest current out of my 28 years of life, the highest financial point I've ever been in to this date. Recently, I've paid off all, and this is all thanks to trading and stuff like that as well. I just want y'all to know that. So that's why I do what I do. And also, you can tell I bring grown man energy with this stuff because this is a real career. There's real hedge fund investors. I've paid off my student loans, my wife's student loans, my baby girl's birthday expenses, all of that, which is closer to 6 figures than it is 5 figures. Literally in the span of half a year. Going crazy. And then we're just on financial offense now, investing in things and everything I'm showing you guys and helping you guys with. That's what we're doing. But dude, when I tell you my time is limited, boy, is it limited. Like, I went golfing with some of my partners the other day, man. They were late. And I'm like, hey, man, you got to let me know because I work. Like, it's all I do. Like, I give value to my people here. You know what I'm saying? I work for my own self and my business. Like, you got to let me know because that's how I could be working. My time is valuable. It doesn't mean the things we do are easy, but it's worth it. Make it worth it. Make it to where you know it's like a semester in school. It's going to end. And that's one thing too, you know, like I was a fraternity president in college, right? Alpha Phi Alpha. Obviously, to join a fraternity, you go through a certain process. The one thing that got me through was knowing, man, this ain't going to last forever. The semester going to end eventually. You know what I'm saying? So, but when you know you're working, just know, dude, it's going to end. It's going to get better. All right. But avoid the trap that they're trying to set for you by relying on your job. I told you, don't let nobody starve you. Don't let anybody starve you. Set limits on your time, how much you want to give, what you not willing to give. Set limits on all that stuff, man, because I'm telling you, oftentimes what feels safe and secure is not safe and secure. A lot of times, like, our grandparents or people, you know, they have our best interest at heart, or our parents, they say, oh, you know, that's a good job. That's a good job. Especially from the South in the country. You know, that's a good job. Man, there's no job that's good at the end of the day. There's no job to secure. You can enjoy it. I'm not saying don't enjoy what you do if you want to go the long-term route for a job. I don't. I'm a born entrepreneur. You know what I'm saying? Jobs are part of the process. but don't bank on it. You want to have the option, man. Like, your biggest asset is your time. You can get money back, but you cannot get time back. No matter, dude, when time is gone, it's gone. When you were 16, 18 years old, you can't get that back. So now that you where you at now, you are in or around your 30s, you can't get this time back. Like, seeing my daughter as a baby, when she come out in a few months, I can't get that time back. You feel me? I got to enjoy every moment. Me right now looking like this is 28. Bro, eventually I'm going to be 38. I'm going to be 48. I'm not going to be able to get this time back. Wherever you at in your life, you're not going to get this time back right now. So take advantage of every day you got. I know it's hard, but you got to push through. You know what I'm saying? You got to push through, especially as a man. Whatever you got to do, make sure too you're doing things to complement this, man. This ain't a byproduct of I just show up and I'm motivated. Nah, man, like, dude, I'm reading to keep myself right. I'm eating good. I'm doing healthier leisure activities like golfing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I dropped martial arts, for other reasons too, like my time schedule. But I picked up golfing because golfing not only one helps me with business endeavors, and two, man, it's peaceful. You know what I'm saying? You out there in nature, just getting right. Meeting a lot of other like-minded brothers like myself or other individuals, other good men who got their head on their shoulders, man. Because where you hang out, like what they say, your vibe attracts your tribe, right? All right, bet. Well, I ain't in the clubs. I'm not drinking. I ain't smoking. I don't want that tribe, dog. I want the cats who golfing. Because golfing take a certain amount of money, so now I know I'm around more money. Or people who may have money. It takes a certain amount of things. We get up at 9, 8, and 7 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday, on a Saturday. So most people who party and drunk, they going to sleep. So think about that too when you're doing stuff. Man, invest in yourself with that, your food, your resources, your own mental, go for walks, stretch, whatever you got to do. This is all going to aid to that stuff and give you a better mental while you're attacking this financial freedom journey. Because it's not easy, man, but I promise you, just think about this, like think about this. 10 years from now, are you going to have regrets or are you going to thank yourself? That's what you want to make sure you keep in your mind. Because this is not a short-term thing. This is long-term. This is lifelong. And it's not always this hard. Like I said, I'm at the best current to date, right? Going to get better. Best financial position, but it's also the hardest position. I had the least amount of time I've ever had. You know what I mean? But I understand, like, hey, this is short-term sacrifice. Like, look, and I have to make sure I remind myself. So remind yourself, have gratitude. Look back and be like, what are you grateful for? How much have you accomplished? And again, if you don't have much to be grateful for, cool. Be grateful that you found this video right now and you listen to this video to the end. And you like, you know what, man, it's time to start. I help brothers that all the time in person. Man, they eating better. Now they sleeping better. Now they working out again. Now they taking activities like golfing. Man, I done got so many brothers in the golfing, man. And just one, eating better. Like, I don't eat fast food. I don't drink. I don't smoke. People wonder how I got an energy like I got. That. I get better with age because I get wiser and I apply my knowledge. Knowledge equals information that's applied. It ain't just information I'm taking in. It's applied information. That's what knowledge is. You put it to use. So that's the only way we get true wisdom. And just make sure you're constantly keeping that vision on the future. Like, this is your life you're talking about, man. Every day, this is your life. And if you're going to sleep unhappy, you need to change it. As simple as that. There's nobody to blame, man. This is your life. You are the creator, man. The Most High made you in His image. You built to create what you're creating every day. You create a life of struggle. You create a life of freedom. You get to pick. So I'm gonna leave y'all with this, man. I ain't gonna fill you up too much, But man, financial freedom is our goal. We have to achieve that by any means necessary. These are the years that we want to get that, man, because your 20s, you're gonna take risk, a lot of risk, but your 30s, you need to lock in. Because that's that pivot point, man. It's gonna determine everything. And it's not too late if you get older than that, obviously, but it's a lot better when you start doing it now. This is the years to really start applying and start moving more wise. It's like LeBron. LeBron got smarter. He was more athletic in his 20s. But he got smart in his 30s. That's why he's doing what he's doing now. Now he still has the physical attributes, but he has the intellect as well and the knowledge. So he's not worried about out jumping you, outrunning you. He's going to outsmart you. Make sure y'all smarten life, man, to make your financial freedom dreams come true. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like making money. All my resources, as well as always, are down below. All my trading, all my financial resources, man. Feel free to tap in. With that being said, I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Much love.